Good morning, children. Today we are going to read the State of Matter Part 2. Okay? In last class we have read about the status of matter. What is the matter? What is called matter? And what is the status of matter? Okay? So today we are going to read about the three status of matter. See, children, one is solid, second is liquid, and third is gas. Okay? So briefly we are going to read today about that. Okay? So first come to solid. There are three status of matter. One is solid, second is liquid, and third is gas. Okay? So in this form, how the status of matter, that we are going to read now. Okay? So there are three status of matter. Okay, one is solid, second is liquid, and third is gas. Okay, and third is gas. And how it forms. Okay, see here, children, what is this? Solid. Okay, so it is made up of the metal wood. Okay, ये लकड़ी का बना हुआ है. See, so solid में क्या क्या आता है? Stone. स्टोन आते हैं, ब्रिक्स आते हैं, ओके, एंड टेबल, वॉल, चेयर, ओके, दिस बोर्ड, एवरीथिंग जो टाइट चीज है रहता है ना, ये जैसे लकड़ी है, टेबल, चेयर, ओके, वुडन ब्लॉक्स है, ओके, ना वॉल, दीवार है ना. सो ये जो चीजें हैं वो सॉलिड में आते हैं. लिक्विड में क्या आते हैं? जो पानी वाला बहता हुआ चीजें, ओके, लिक्विड में आते हैं. तो लिक्विड में क्या आते हैं, चिल्ड्रन? Can you tell me? Water, milk, petrol, diesel, syrup, everything. Okay, oil. These are comes into liquid. And what is gas? Air. There are so many gas: oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen. Every type of air. Okay, so these are the gases. Is mixing in the air only. They are available in the air. Okay, so air is only gas. Okay, now we are going to read briefly about this three type of status of matter. Okay, children, so let's go. Solid. Solid, the state of matter in which the molecules are closely packed. देखो children, ये है, इसमें molecules दिखा रहा है क्या तुमको? मोलिक्यूल्स और एटम्स क्या बोलते हैं? देखो, स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स, कोई भी चीज स्मॉल पार्टिकल से ही बने रहता है. उसमें बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे चीजें रहता है. जैसे हम इसको तोड़ देंगे तो ये टुकड़ा टुकड़ा बहुत पाउडर जैसा हो जाएगा ना. तो ये सब मॉलिक्यूल्स है. ओके, एवरी स्टेटस ऑफ मैटर मेड अप ऑफ सम एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो मैटर इज व्हाट? Matter is a thing, anything that has mass or they occupy space. So if I will put it on my hand, so it occupy my space or no? ये एक space को occupy किया है. Okay, and they made up of any matter, solid or liquid or gas. Okay, चलें. So इसका एक मास भी होता है, मतलब क्वांटिटी भी होता है. इसका एक साइज होता है, इसका एक क्वांटिटी होता है. ओके, कि ये इतना वजन है, ये इतना साइज है. ओके, सो ये चीज है वो मास और दे ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस, दैट इज ओनली मैटर. ओके, सो solid the state of matter which the molecules are closely packed and they are very close. इसमें क्या है, मॉलिक्यूल्स पता नहीं चलता है ना, क्योंकि ये इतने क्लोज रहते हैं ना. सी हियर द पिक्चर, द इमेज ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इन द सॉलिड. They are very close to each other is called solid. Okay, children, what is called solid? Yes, the status of matter in which the molecules are closely packed or they are very close to each other is called solid. Okay, the molecules and the solid, the molecules of the solid has connected to each other and they are very close to each other. So we can't see the molecules and atoms in the solid matter. Okay, so there are some characteristics of solid. Okay, I told you that they have size, they occupy space. Okay, the particles are tightly packed. ओके, बहुत टाइट होके उसका जो पार्टिकल से दाना है ना, हमको नहीं दिखता है वो किसी चीज़ से बना हुआ है ना, तो वो बहुत टाइटली पैक हो गए हैं. ओके, एंड इट हैज़ अ फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम आल्सो. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो नाउ कम टू लिक्विड. ओके, लिक्विड पार्ट, द स्टेट ऑफ मैटर, the state of matter in which in liquid matter, okay, the state of matter in which the molecules are loosely packed, close नहीं है वो एक दूसरे से, okay, loosely packed है और little far from each other, थोड़ा सा दूर दूर में उसका molecules रहता है. Okay, so they are called liquid. Okay, that type of matter is called liquid. And the gap between the particle, there is a gap such between the particles. Okay, the gap between the particles such that there is a scope for little movement. वो क्या है, लिक्विड में तैरते रहते हैं, पार्टिकल्स जो है ना थोड़े से मूवमेंट करते रहते हैं. Yes or no? So there is a scope to little movement of particles. उसका जो पार्टिकल्स है उसको ना मूवमेंट करने के लिए थोड़ा सा जगह चाहिए रहता है. सो लिक्विड में ये चीज है. ओके, एंड फॉर एग्जांपल वाटर, जूस, मिल्क. देखो तुम लोग देखोगे इमेज हियर, you can see, you can recognize properly. Okay, there are so many particles are there in the liquid. Okay, so there is a gap. There are some gap between these particles because they have the space for movement. Okay, there is a scope for little movement of particles. For example, water, juice, milk, etc. Okay children, and what are the characteristics of a liquid? What are the characteristics of a liquid? Yes, they have no fixed shape. How? In there are some fixed volume and they occupy space What are the characteristics of liquid? Yes, the volume is fixed. Okay, the volume is fixed, but there is a gap between the particles and there is no fixed size of liquid. उसका कुछ size नहीं है. Okay, and उसका कुछ fixed size नहीं है and fixed shape भी नहीं है. Okay, there is no fixed size in liquid and there is no fixed shape in liquid and its volume is also fixed. Okay, volume उसका fixed है और उसका particle कैसे है? loosely connected है, loosely packed है. Okay, closely नहीं है, loose है because there is a gap. I told ना, there is gap between the particles. Okay, for some movement. Okay, तो छोटा छोटा हाँ बैलून जैसा, ये सब ना छोटा छोटा दाना तैरते रहता है, पार्टिकल्स है ना, तैरते रहता है. सो ओके, नाउ लेट्स कम टू गैस. सी चिल्ड्रन, the state of matter in which the particles are very far from each other. देखो, what is the difference between three status of matter? In solid, the particles are closely packed and in liquid, the particles are loosely packed, and in gas, the state of matter in which the particles are very far from each other. Okay, very far, एक दूसरे से इसका पार्टिकल पूरा अलग अलग रहते हैं. Okay, and the gap, जो gap है ना एक दूसरे से between the particles, so much gap that there is a space for the movement of the air, movement of the particles. We cannot see gases. ठीक है, हम गैस को नहीं देख पाते हैं. यस और नो, हमको नहीं दिखता है गैस. हाँ, और बहुत ही गैस होता है गैस में जो कि वो मूवमेंट करते रहता है. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जांपल ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, हाइड्रोजन, नाइट्रोजन. ओके, देयर आर सो मेनी गैसेस व्हिच वी कांट सी. We can feel it but we cannot see. So children, what are the characteristics of gas? They have size? No, they have no fixed shape. they have no fixed size, and it may not have the fixed volume also. It may or may not have the fixed volume also, and the particles are far from each other. बहुत दूर दूर में उनका particles रहते हैं. Okay, so you understood about the solid and liquid and your gas. Okay, what are the characteristics? See children, again I will tell you that solid is a state of matter that they have closely, the particles are closely fixed. Okay, example stone, bricks, wood. Okay, now again liquid. Liquid, the particles of liquid are little far, or they are packed loosely. Okay, they are packed loosely. Okay, बहुत ही loose में वो लोग packed हुए, because there is a gap, there is some space for movement. Okay, for moving the particles. Okay, now liquid, water, milk, and oil, diesel, petrol, anything. Okay, and gas. See children, the state of matter in which the particles have far from each other. It is the status of matter that the particles have the far from each other. They are far from each other in the gas, because there is a gap. There is a gap between each particles, because they are moving. They are moving, the movement of particles. Okay, and we cannot see the air. Okay children, and what are the characteristics of solid? What are the characteristics? They have size, they occupy space, and the particles are tightly closed, and they have fixed volume. Second, liquid. What are the characteristics of liquid? Yes, liquid has the particles of liquid are loosely fixed. Okay, they have no size, they have no shape. Okay, and they are loosely packed, and their volume is fixed. Okay, and gas. What is the characteristic of a gas? The status of matter means in the status of matter of gas, the particles of gas are not closely fixed, not loosely fixed. They are far from each other. They are far from each other. Okay, वो fix नहीं है, वो लोग बहुत दूर दूर में है. Okay, because in the gap between the particles, they are moving. Air is moving. Okay, the movement of air. So we cannot see air. So what are the characteristics? It has no fixed size. It has no fixed shape. Okay, it may not has the fixed volume also, and the particles are far from each other. So these are the characteristics of solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, children. So today we have read about the three status of matter and the three status of matter, characteristics of the three status of matter. Okay. So in next class we are going to read changes the status of matter. How to change the status of matter? How to change the solid, liquid, and gas? Okay. So till that time you read properly, and what is the characteristic of liquid, solid, and gas. You read properly, understand properly. If any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, and prepare for next class. Okay, thank you.